Okay, welcome back, folks. This is the second part of a three-part video series on how to make a video. And what I wanted to do in this series, or this part, is show you how to make subtitles. The key way to do subtitles with Windows Media Format is there's going to be another file that you're going to make that's going to be named the same file name as your video. So if my video is foo.wmv, then I'm going to have a foo.smi file. The SMI file is the caption file. And if you have Windows Media Player configured correctly, when it opens up the WMV, it's going to look in the same folder. If it finds an SMI file and it's configured correctly, then it'll display the subtitles. So let's look at an SMI file really quick and see what it looks like. So I'm going to open up mine with a WordPad. You can see it's just some HTML formatted code, well formatted code. It's got a header block. It's got some style in here. This is where you can sort of manipulate the styles and colors of the fonts and the alignment. And then the heart of the captions, or the individual captions, are in these sync blocks. So you can see here it has sync start equals 3000. There's P, so this is the format. So this is telling Windows Media Player to use this formatting up here. And then Dorothy, Toto, I don't think we're in Kansas anymore. So this is actually the caption itself, which is what's in between these HTML brackets. And you can see I have another caption here at 5000, which is the barking dog, and then the napalm. The start equals 3000, that's 3000 milliseconds, so that's at the 3-second mark, the 5-second mark, and the 8-minute mark. And that's all there is to it. Okay, so now let's go ahead and open up Windows Media Player. And when we do, you have to make sure that you have it configured properly for captioning. So I right-click. That was a right-click. I go to More Options, Security. You want to make sure that you have Run Script Commands when present clicked, and this Show Local Captions when present. So click both those, hit Apply and OK. The other thing you want to check is right-click, Lyrics, Captions, and Subtitle. This is off by default. Just go ahead and hit English, or on when present. If they weren't set up that way, you're going to have to restart Windows Media Player and then start it again. But when you do that and you run it,
what I'm going to do in this video is just demonstrate the application.
you'll see that the captions show up. And there's the barking.
Worksheets, controls,
and I love the smell of napalm in the morning.
Data is
So that's all there is to captioning. We went ahead and we made a tool for you using VBA. So if you open up the Subtitle Creator XLSM, make sure you enable the macros. You'll see that there's some instructions here, but you basically go in and put in the minutes and the seconds for the capstone. Sorry, for the caption. So if my first one's at 03, if I'm going to go in here and put 0, and then I'm going to put maybe 10 seconds, I'm going to put Beat Navy. Wild applause. And if I hit Save Caption File Out, I'm going to go ahead and save this to my video. I'm going to overwrite the foo that I have there. So when you do that and you edit it, as you'll see, it went ahead and added the wild applause line. So you don't have to do a lot of HTML editing. If you want to use the script here, you can just watch your video, make note of the times, and go ahead and make it. If you want to see how the script works, you can invoke the VBA editor. Of course, you're going to learn how to do this in the course. I have really the update output, which builds the HTML string, XML string, and then the save file. This is really the trickiest part, which is actually saving the string out on the file, and I've got a concatenation there. So that's there for your viewing pleasure. All right, good luck.